Voice of the People Party, VPP, has not yet announced its choice for the Chief Executive Member CEM of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, KHADC. The party is currently holding discussions with its 17 newly elected members from the KHADC as well as the newly elected 8 members in the JHADC to decide on the CEM and other members of the Executive Council in the KHADC. Additionally, it is highly anticipated that the VPP will take an opposition stance in the JHADC after not forming the leadership there.
Because the VPP is very distinct in its ideology. So, as I said, that even when we try to form the government after the 2023 election, we put certain conditions before joining any coalition. So our principles, they come first. Our ideology comes first before anything else. So we will accordingly take action as per those lines.